Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you decide which one is the best fit for your gaming or computing needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX stands out with its support for PCIe 5.0, offering faster data transfer rates and future-proofing for upcoming hardware. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi utilizes PCIe 4.0, which is still capable but may limit future upgrades. Both motherboards support DDR5 memory, ensuring high-speed performance for gaming and productivity tasks. Warranty is an important consideration for many buyers. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term use. On the other hand, the MSI MAG 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi comes with a 3-year warranty, which is still good but shorter than its competitor. This difference may influence your decision if you prioritize long-term reliability. User feedback can provide valuable insights into real-world performance. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX has received mixed reviews, with some users praising its features while others reported issues with BIOS updates. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi has garnered positive reviews, with users highlighting its build quality and performance. This difference in user experience may sway your choice depending on your preferences. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi are excellent motherboards with their own strengths. The GIGABYTE offers PCIe 5.0 support and a longer warranty, while the MSI provides strong performance and positive user feedback. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.